Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. I share content on lifestyle, health, wellness, and beauty. So if you're interested in any of those things, go ahead and subscribe. If you are a part of the channel as of late, I don't know if you've noticed, but I have been into subscription boxes, okay? Today's video is going to be all about Talisa Jewelry Box. This is a monthly jewelry subscription that allows you to customize, keyword, customize your jewelry and try it out for 7 days so that you can decide whether you want to keep it or not. You will receive 3 jewelry pieces. There is a possibility that you could receive more than 3, but the bare minimum, the exact bare minimum is 3 pieces. I stumbled upon them on Google, and the reason that I was thinking to get into the subscription jewelry space is because I'm trying to elevate my jewelry. I'm trying to build up my jewelry collection, and I want not only pieces that are classic and original, but I also want pieces that will have longevity and have value, that literally have value over time. What I found interesting is with Talisa Jewelry, you get a personal stylist. You take a quiz, so they have like a feel of your personality, your likes, what type of jewelry you like, if you like gold, silver, if you like custom, if you like gems, things like that. And then they give you a personal stylist. And based on your stylist, they customize the type of jewelry you're going to get every month. My stylist, her name is Kyra, and I'm hoping based on what I put in, she got me right. She put something together that puts my personality at the forefront. There is a $40 styling fee, but you do get 50% off of your first purchase. I was actually a bit skeptical about the $40 styling fee. I will be honest, because I was like, I don't know. I don't know if I want to do that. But in the $40 styling fee, you do get one, your personal stylist. And this is a person that's dedicated to you personally. It includes your shipping and handling. It also includes just preparation of your box in itself, because you do also have to keep in mind that some of these things are personalized specifically for you. For example, if you give them your zodiac sign, if you give them your name, if you give them somebody else's name, they're literally customizing this jewelry specifically for you. So anyway, I'm excited. I want to get into my box. I have not looked into what they sent me, and I want to get started. So let's just get right into it. Just to give you an idea of what you're going to receive when you get your box. So I have this personalized card that says my name on it, which I think is absolutely adorable. You get all of the details from your personal stylist, and they just give you all of the instructions that you need if you do want to return any of the items that you received in your box that you don't really like that. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I got anything that I don't really like that. This is how the box looks, which I think is so cute and modern. It's very minimal and simple. I like that. And this is the first item that I have. I am about to put this on and see how I like it. Okay, so here we have their Nature Love necklace, which is an emerald gemmed necklace. And I believe I got 18 karat gold. And I have been into precious gems lately. So I have a few rubies, I have a few sapphires, I of course have pearls and a few diamonds. And I really wanted a good quality emerald gem necklace. And this is just, I love this. Like, this is dainty, it's cute, like, I really like this. Kyra, off bat, you doing good, girl, you doing good. Okay, so this next one is my zodiac and a diamond. I'm not sure if you see that, but let me try it on. Okay, so this one is cute and dainty, and this one is the Helena Zodiac diamond necklace. You could customize your zodiac sign to this one, and I chose to add a little diamond to this. I'm actually kind of shooketh at how small the diamond is, but it is a 0.03 S1 diamond, so I'm not really mad at it. Because it is a S1, it is going to give me a return on my value. I just wish it was a little bit bigger. I should have went with the 0.3 diamond, but I love it because if you have a best friend, a sister, a cousin, and even Mother's Day is coming up, you could add multiple zodiac signs to this necklace. You could add multiple diamonds to this necklace. It is fully customizable to whatever you want. I just love how feminine, dainty, and pretty it is. And when I was putting it on, it is super durable. This is also 18 karat gold. This is a cute, dainty addition to your necklace collection, especially if you're someone that likes to layer. Like, it kind of, the point on the necklace that I put it on, it's kind of like I put it like kind of like a choker a little bit. So I could see myself wearing like 1 or 2 more necklaces to just add a little bit more oomph to my neck. Okay, so now we have the classic Milanese necklace. Let's get into this because I have been looking for a necklace that looks just like that. I have no words. Like, this is me. This is an 18 karat gold, like lattice type of, I don't even want to say lattice. Like, I don't even know what this design is, but when I was putting it on, y'all, this is heavy. You could feel the weight of the gold in this. The quality of this is so good. This is a classic, timeless piece that I know will stand the test of time. And that's exactly what I was looking for. I could see myself wearing this in 5, 10, 20 years. Like, this is going to be 100% a staple in my collection. And that's why I signed up for this. Like, I was giving them a chance. I'm like, you know what? I'm trying to get my jewelry on point. Let me try this out. And so far, I'm so happy with what I received this month. Like, just the quality, the durability, and how dainty, feminine, and classic all of these pieces are so far. Like, I'm literally excited to see what I'm going to get next month. This month, I'm not returning nothing. I'm keeping everything I got in this box. If you're looking for some pieces to add to your collection, girl, do not hesitate. Check them out. I'll have all the information down in the description box. I'll have the website and also just the pieces that I mentioned here, just so that you could take a look and see what they have. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will talk to you soon. Bye.